Hey, how you doing, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the Kansept Shard. This one here is the Tiger Stripe Flame Titanium, and that's for the whole handle, both sides, as well as this pocket clip. And it is really something else. I'd seen this when I was at last Friday when I was watching Bees Blades live at the Hive. And if you've never seen that, or if you have an interest in knives, it's a great time. They do giveaways. It's really cool and really good bunch of people in the audience as well. A lot of knife knowledge, and it's really I love going there. He does the giveaways, like about three of them in different variations, and it's just really good and a lot of fun. A lot of great banner, and yeah, that's Friday nights usually about 8:15 Eastern Standard Time. So give it a look. Again, that's Bees Blades. And it's got a great channel as well. And okay, without further ado, on Bees Blades last Friday, he was giving away this knife. Not this very one, but he was giving away this same designed model of the Kansept Shard. And everybody was drooling. I mean, we were all just like, man, I hope it's me. It was not me. However, while this was all going on, I was like, is this thing available? And at the time, it was thought that it wasn't. And I went on one of my favorite places to go, shameless plug, White Mountain Knives, and there it was. And yeah, this was an impulse buy. As soon as I saw it and him flicking it around and showing it off, I was like, man, I had to get it. And I have no regrets because as soon as I flicked it out, felt it in my hand, amazing ergonomics. I think a lot of that has to do with the way it's contoured. They even have like this raised point right here. Kind of reminds me of the Benchmade 940. The whole thing, it's just so beautiful. And it is extremely sharp. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not even really trying. I'm just kind of just brushing that along. It's crazy sharp. I mean, that right there shows you. So yeah, this is really nice. Overall, we are looking at 7.96 inches of knife here. The blade is 3.48 inches, so it's just under 3.5 inches, which is the sweet spot for me. I love those two sizes for a knife, 8 inch, 3.5. Blade thickness on this, 137.137 inches. So even though you have a really nice thick spine here that comes to a very reinforced point, it is very, very thin on that edge the way it's ground down. And let you just get a better look at the grinds on that. It's just amazing. Kansept does a great job. I mean, they are putting out some real home runs, and this is one of their more popular models, the Shard. They've got such an amount of different variations of this same model, and I've had the Shard in my sights for quite a while, but as soon as I saw that tiger stripe, I was like, oh man, treat yourself. And I sure did, because it is really nice. And again, in forward or even reverse, it's just really nice. I mean, you got the nice, it's just amazing how ergonomic this is, how slicey it is. Ceramic ball bearing action, great jimping on the flipper tab. Fires right out. It's got a beautiful sounding thwack when it does come out. And it's got a great lockup. Whole thing is nice and centered. Yeah. Let you get a closer look at that frame lock there. And there you go. Every time. Beautiful. Yep, you got Shard on one side, and you got the model number K1006A15 right here. Very, very fine printing. And of course the little emblem for Kansept, or Concept, however you want to say it. No milling in there. Do got a couple, just only 2 barrel spacers and a lanyard spacer here. That's really all you need with this. And for as big a knife as this is, which it's not like overly size big, but it's considerable. 4.12 ounces. That's all it is. I mean, that's all it is. So yeah, this one is definitely a home run. It ain't cheap. So I will say that. It's more than what I usually spend for a knife. But of course, you get what you pay for with this one. And without a doubt, I have no regrets again. Currently, they are $208.60. But again, with White Mountain Knives, that is with free shipping. And if you want to use my code, my discount code, capital NCN, of course, Newcastle Ninja, that comes to $187.74, I believe. So, Super Steel S35vn, an amazing anodized titanium handle and clip frame lock. It's a work of art, and it is just, I can't recommend it enough. There is no jimping. You don't need it, really. The whole thing is just comfortable enough with your index finger going right up underneath that flipper tab. Got plenty of space here for the liner lock access, and that is with both sides, which I love. And yeah, this is a home run. So there you go. Let you get one last look-see at this here. And if you're looking to get yourself a beautiful anodized titanium handled knife, look no further. Here it is. You will have to pay a little extra, but than what you may, or at least what I normally pay, and I have no regrets. It's a beauty. So there you go. Man, just when I think I can't get past how beautiful that handle is, I look at the grinds and satin of that blade, and I am just loving it. Plus that smooth action. Man, that's nice. And you can, get enough meat in underneath your, from your thumb there into that tab to open it slowly if you don't want to scare the neighbors. But I don't care about that. I'm having too much fun with those ceramic ball bearing action. And I think you will too. So there you go. Kansept Shard, Tiger Stripe Flame Titanium handle and clip, White Mountain Knives. Use the code, get your discount, enjoy. And I will see you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe, and take care.